Manicotti. This is one of those dishes that might look intimidating, but it could not be easier or less expensive to make, and I promise this is a dish that your whole family will love, even the kids. Manicotti simply refers to the pasta shells. Manicotti shells are different than cannelloni shells in the sense that they're a little bit thicker and they're more rigid, so they're just a little heartier of a version. I'll start by making the filling: whole milk ricotta cheese, some Parmesan, mozzarella, a little parsley, in with a couple eggs. The egg is gonna help bind the filling together. If the egg's not in there, the cheese is just gonna kind of seep out. Manicotti has the same crowd-pleasing benefits of a lasagna, but it is less ingredients and a lot cheaper. Season it up with a little salt and pepper. Easy peasy. If you wanted to add meat, this is the stage in which you would add it, and of course it would already be cooked. And what I'm gonna do to help make the filling of the pasta easier is I'm gonna add this to a Ziploc bag, and then you can just kind of pipe the filling into those tubes. But before I do that, I wanna get my casserole dish prepared. I'm pouring in about a half a cup of our tomato sauce. I have already pre-cooked the manicotti. That's just simply boiling the shells for about 8 minutes until they're super al dente. They're gonna finish cooking and absorb some of that tomato sauce, so we don't wanna overcook them. And then we're just gonna pipe the filling right in. In each shell, you're gonna get about 3 tablespoons of the filling. I like to go in one end and the other. As you fill each one, just lay it in the tomato sauce. You can take a little spatula or like butter knife and just kind of make sure it's all tucked in, nice and cozy. And then you're just gonna finish it by topping off with more of the sauce. At this point, you can just top with more grated parm. I'm gonna add mozzarella and parm because why not? And that's it. It goes into a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. It's pretty much all cooked. You're really just looking for a lot of gooey bubbliness going on. Break out the Chianti, folks. The pasta and the cheese have absorbed up all of that tomato goodness. I'm gonna add a little hint of freshness with some fresh basil and a little cracked pepper. The good thing about these little sleeves is that they are little packages of perfect bites. So simple and so absolutely delicious. If you've never made manicotti before, this is the recipe to try. It is so easy. You can definitely tell there's nothing intimidating about it. Now get cooking.